What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Built from the Bottom, and today I'm going to be giving you guys my first moto vlog, but more of kind of like an update on what's going on. So we're going to be riding the 2010 Yamaha R1. This is the same bike that Just the Six rides inside his moto vlog, so I figured, you know, we'd start riding this one. And this is the only bike that I have that has this phone mount on it, so I can look at my notes, so I can stay on track to the idea of what I want to talk about. So let's get going. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm Reese Bowers, and I rebuild wrecked motorcycles on this channel, and I've also started to do some car builds and some Jeep builds, which don't seem to be doing too well. That's why we're doing a little moto vlog content to give you guys the update on what's going on out here. So if you guys like the way this video is structured, just give it a thumbs up, please. And I think they're pretty cool. It's Just a Six does these, and he talks about his life a little bit, and I think, like, I don't know, just talking while you're riding is kind of cool for people to like be updated on what you're doing. Let's first talk about the three motorcycles that I'm building right now on the channel. So I'm building a Ducati 1199 Panigale, which I just had the gas tank come in for, and I'm waiting on the subframe and a couple other parts, and I have not ordered the fairing kit for that bike yet. I am going to be doing that, the chrome red, but that bike just came in, so there's really not too much of a hold up on anything on that yet, and I should be able to get some videos out on that soon. I have my 2012 GSX-R 1000 that I did the frame powder coated gloss black, and then the wheels are white, and then all the radiator piping, everything on that bike is going to be white too. What I'm waiting on right now is the fairing kit. I have the new gauge cluster, the front stay bracket, pretty much everything I need to put that bike together except for the fairing kits. And I ordered that fairing kit at the same time I ordered the fairing kit for the 2013 BMW S1000RR, which I haven't shown in a long time because I just kind of pushed this thing to the back burner, completely forgot about the bike, and that bike is going to be going chrome gold. But those kits, there has happened to be an issue with something going on with the paint on the kits where it wasn't like adhering properly to the plastics, so they're remaking those. I'm just waiting on those to come in right now. It's been a long process because I am doing those custom chrome kits. You know, stuff like that does take a little bit longer. I'm noticing that really doing custom stuff like what I'm doing on my Jeep right now, is just, it takes a long time to get this stuff done, and it sucks for content wise, but I think it'll be really worth it in the end when I have some really unique things. That's kind of what's going on with the bikes. The fairing kits are a little held up. I want you guys to understand that I am still trying to produce motorcycle content. I just have a bunch of motorcycles getting built, and I see it kind of pointless to get more of them and have more projects, and then, you know, the videos get all like clustered up and you guys don't know what I'm actually working on and what I'm not, because I've done that in the past where I'll just put stuff to the back burner, I'll build it like off video and sell it. You guys will be like, oh, where'd this bike go? Like, you never finish your projects. So that's kind of what's going on right now. Those bikes, once they get done, I plan on getting like another like V-Star or do like a Harley build or something. I really don't know. Let's see, I've never gone this way. Oh man, there's a traffic light this way. So that's kind of the quick rundown of what is going on with these bikes right now. And like, I'm still a bike building channel, and I think I kind of want to stay towards that niche of building bikes. Got a little sidetracked with a couple of the things I also bought. The other things that I am currently working on, that Jeep build, which I should be getting the paintwork back tomorrow, because right now when I'm filming this, it is Sunday. Once I get that stuff back, I'll be able to put that whole thing together, drive it, and it should be pretty sick to have that thing to drive and whatnot. Yeah, that build will be completely done. We're good to go, and I plan on selling a couple of my cars to maybe fund like a supercar buy or do like a really cool truck build, but that's further down the road. And then the Maserati, I don't really want to touch the Maserati or do anything to that until I get the shop squared away. The only reason I'm finishing the Jeep is because I kind of have to, like, it's mid-project and everything. Maserati, I just kind of tore down so it can sit there. I can wait until my shop gets built out for me to, I'm just gonna turn around, dude. I don't know where this goes. My my game plan on the Maserati is I'm just gonna set that thing on the side burner until my shop build out gets done. And I'm also kind of like gonna let these bike builds sit on the side burner, because this whole week right now I'm gonna be focusing on building out my shop, because I really don't like the vibes I'm getting inside of it right now. I just moved out here to Punta Gorda. It's about 45 minutes away from where my other shop was. I'm a big like believer in like culture, like energy in your work climate. Makes you just produce better, like, you know, puts you in a better mood and you're more productive. And right now with my warehouse just kind of looking like a warehouse, I don't like it. So where do we want to go? Do I want to turn here? Oh, I'm gonna go this way towards like the airport. So the plan is I'm gonna paint the ceiling in the shop matte black, because that needs to get taken care of before I can do anything with like the lower area and building anything out, because when I spray those ceilings, all of the paint is going to want to come down and like get on the floors and stuff, so I can't do my stuff on the floors yet. So once I get the matte black done on the ceilings, I'll paint the walls all white, and then I got this really cool marble floors I'm going to be doing inside the place, which is going to make it look like a real like showroom, and I'm super excited to do that. So I gotta do all the stuff I don't want to do first in this warehouse, and then I can lay down this epoxy. It's gonna take 4 days to fully cure, and like once I have the epoxy done on the floors, I'll be able to like actually have like a good vibe inside of there. I got 5K LED lights that are going to be going up in there too. Right now I have there's like 3K in there. Not the best for filming. Once I get these floors done and everything, like I'll start actually getting to working back on the bikes and the car builds, and they'll look like mint. Steve Jobs talked about like a culture in their work environment, and like your work environment has to be like a positive energy, and like, you know, make people want to come over, like have Andrew want to come over and like, you know, film with me, and it just be like an upbeat vibe, and you know, we're all just having a good time. It doesn't really have to feel like work. It's the best way to get good work done, is make it not feel like work. So that's a little bit of a rundown on what is going on. I'm just cruising through the new city, finding some new roads. There's some, I'd say, pretty sweet roads here that there's like not many cars on. Like right here looks like a solid little stretch. So I'm going to end this video here. I don't really know how long it ended up being, but just wanted to give you guys a little rundown of what's going on. Wow, that looks like a cool road too. I think that was an efficient way to actually film this and talk. Good energy on it. We're riding a killer R1, and yeah, dude, I hope this isn't, when I edit it, Reefs, it ends up coming out pretty cool.